In this video, I will guide you on how to turn off Samsung phone without button. Now, if you do not want to use the button to turn off your Samsung phone, then there are a couple of alternatives that you can use. The first one is you want to swipe down from the right side. Here you have different options. Locate the one that is this icon right here. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, it should now show you different options such as power off, restart, emergency call, and medical info. You can select the power off option or you can select the restart option from here. Another option is if you have enabled this assistant menu, you simply want to select that. Now you have the power off menu, so tap on that, and from here as well you can access the same options. Here select the power off option, and in this way you can easily turn off your Samsung phone without power button. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.